welcome back to another vlog. It is currently just past 7 a.m. and I think the one thing about being away on vacation in Florida where it was warm and I wanted to be outside early every single morning is that it has got me in an earlier routine. I am currently just making a little matcha latte to go. I've been using the Bloom mix and mixing it with the Peak Sun Goddess matcha, and I think this is currently my favorite matcha obsession. I've also been on a matcha kick since I got back from Florida. I think I just had way too much coffee during the conference when I was away, and I'm like, hey, I need a little coffee detox. It is now time to just have matcha for like a week straight. But I actually have a laser hair appointment this morning. I, for some reason, had the audacity to book a laser hair appointment for 8 a.m. So that is why I'm making a matcha to go, because I'm going to take it on my walk over to the clinic, which is like, it's roughly a 25-minute walk, and it's nice out today. So I'm going to walk. I feel like I'm just bringing a little bit of Florida home with me. The nice thing is in Toronto right now, the sun is rising at like 6 a.m. and I would love to wake up with the sunrise, but I'm not quite on that early of a schedule yet. So I got up at around 6:20, just took a nice slow morning, did some journaling and devotions. We're gonna make this matcha latte, head out for a nice early walk. I feel really alive right now. I think it's because it's almost the summer, and the summer always brings out like just more energy. But that is currently what is up. If I haven't mentioned it before, this will be my second laser hair appointment. I've only gotten one previous to this, but I really wanted to start doing it about a year out from the wedding so that I can be nice and smooth and slick. And also laser hair removal is just something that I've wanted to do for a while, so I'm glad that I've started this journey. But if you are a bride-to-be as well, I think is one of the best investments you can give yourself, especially like pre-wedding treatments, because like it's something that will last forever and you'll rarely have to shave again or go in for like a minor like laser touch-up like once a year. So that's my thoughts on that. I'm gonna make this matcha latte and get dressed, and we are going to head out for our appointment. There is nothing better than coming home to a gorgeously bright, sunny apartment. It's not even 9 a.m. I feel like I've already accomplished so much. I love waking up early, you guys, on days when it's beautiful outside at least. But time to make breakfast and get started to work. Time to make breakfast and get started on my work day. I just finished getting all ready for the day. Threw on a little bit of makeup because I like feeling a little bit put together even if I'm just having like an office work from home day. But I wanted to quickly touch on my everyday jewelry faves because you guys are always asking about them. So all of the jewelry pieces on me today, minus obviously my engagement ring and my permanent jewelry, are from Mejuri. I have personally shopped with Mejuri, I think since like 2020 was the first time I purchased a piece from Mejuri. I love that they are refined luxury. They're pieces that you can not only wear every day, but they just elevate any look. They use premium materials from 14 karat gold to sterling silver to premium lab grown gemstones, and I love being able as well to support a local brand. They are from Toronto, but all of the pieces are designed and created in-house, and they have such stackable potential, which I feel like is perfect for me because most days I do just like very simple minimal jewelry, but when we're going out and we're having a little bit more fun, being able to stack pieces and layer necklaces and have fun with it is something that I personally love. So I'll have all of the Missouri pieces that I'm wearing linked down in the description box below for you guys to go shop. But a big thank you to Missouri for partnering with me on today's video. We're gonna get into my workday. I have a long to-do list to write up, as well as we're recording a podcast episode today. And then this evening, Alan and I actually have tickets for Les Mis, which is super exciting for me because we're coming up on almost a year being engaged, and we saw Les Mis in London before we got engaged. So I feel like this is just the perfect almost 1 year engagement, kind of like anniversary date. And I'll also be styling my Missouri pieces tonight for that as well. But let's get into my workday. We have quite a bit to do. Several hours later, okay, we are dressed, ready to go for a run. We're gonna do a little 6 to 7K and pick up some dinner at our favorite place before we head to Les Mis tonight. Post-run, don't mind my literal tomato face, but we did just under 7K tonight and also picked up dinner at one of our favorite restaurants, The Ham, so we can quickly eat while we get ready for Les Mis because we have like roughly 40 minutes and my face needs to chill out. But we got some Baja fish tacos as well as their rainbow roll and then a chicken soft shell taco as well. So I'm gonna eat this up, get ready, and then head over to the theater. One of these ones. You try one of those ones. Cheers.
I dip this one in the sauce here. It's good because I like this sauce.
Yeah, I agree. There's still a paper bag on me, like comfy. Oh, I don't know why it's so exposed, but dressed and ready to go. We accidentally kind of ended up matching. Black theme, but let's go. while I love matcha, and I have had matcha for the past few days, nothing hits better than a hot latte in the morning, especially like post-workout. Having my breakfast and coffee is just the best vibe. So I'm gonna drink my latte, eat my breakfast, work a little bit, but I think I kind of want to head out of the house to work today. It is another beautiful day. It is literally so sunny out, and it wasn't supposed to be nice today. It was supposed to be raining like yesterday, today, tomorrow, and just raining all week. So I feel like I need to take advantage of the nice weather and go like sit outside and work on a patio or something. So I think that's what I might do. I just want to take advantage of this nice weather before we have like a rainy streak again. And right now I feel like this is good patio working outside weather because it's not too hot. It's just like nice out, you know? I'm gonna eat breakfast, drink my coffee, get my workday started, and then probably like get fully ready for the day and head out to work for a little bit. I thought we would do a little chit chat, get ready with me while I do a little bit of light makeup. Honestly, I love just putting on a little bit of light makeup, especially if I'm not doing anything major, like I'm just kind of heading out of the house to work. But I kind of want to keep this outfit on, except I know that it's not warm enough outside yet to wear a romper and just a like bolero. So we're gonna have to change, even though it is like beautiful and sunny. It's that weather that's like, as soon as you're in the shade, you're freezing. If you're in the sun, you're warm, but I guess we would call that spring. I have a fun update, life update for you guys. So a little bit of a story time. Last weekend, 2 weeks, a week and a half, Alan and I got a little bit wine drunk, just a little bit tipsy. You know, it's a Saturday night, and we started looking at dogs. We have been wanting a dog for, I want to say, the past almost 2 years. My family dog passed away almost 2 years ago, and I feel like ever since that happened, I was like, okay, it's my time to shine. I need a dog. I have had a dog almost my entire life, and so when she passed away, and now that she's been gone for almost 2 years, it feels so weird not having a dog in anyone's house. Like, there's just no dog around at all. So we casually started looking at dogs on Kijiji, on Facebook, on some rescue sites. I have always been pretty set on getting a rescue because all of the dogs that I had growing up were rescues, and I just personally do not want to shop a dog, even though like I have my breed preferences. Al and I have wanted a Australian Shepherd. Like, we knew that if we got a dog, we really wanted to get an Aussie. That is just our favorite breed of dog. It has been for the past, I want to say, 3 years. And so we've been pretty set on that. And while we were casually looking around at these adoption sites and Kijiji and whatnot, Alan stumbled across the most beautiful elk-hound Australian Shepherd rescue puppy available for adoption. If you don't know, Aussies can be a little bit hyperactive. They get zoomies really easily, but elk-hounds are a little bit more on the like quiet, relaxed side. So it is like the perfect balance to balance out like hyperactive Aussie. And elk-hounds are so cute. They look like a German Shepherd Shiba Inu mix if you don't know what an elk-hound is. And so we tossed in an application for this dog, and I'm not gonna lie, we actually were pretty serious about it. Like, we spent 2.5 hours formulating our answers for this pretty extensive application because the puppy is a rescue and it is from a volunteer rescue foundation. I guess they have a pretty extensive process because they want to make sure that the dog's going to a good home. But I'm waiting to hear back right now and find out if we are going to have a interview for the puppy. I guess just to kind of do a character check and see if we're like a good fit. But that's a little bit of a life update. It is very possible, but also like but also possibly not possible because I have no clue how many other people applied for this puppy. But it's possible we could be getting a dog very soon, and there will be a little puppy scampering around the apartment, and I'm just so excited. I feel like I've wanted a dog I've wanted my own dog for so long, and like Alan and I will be raising it together, and I feel like it's not great timing, but at the same time it's like perfect timing because it's spring, summer, and it's a great time to start raising and training a dog. So yeah, that's a little bit of a life update. I'm gonna finish up doing my makeup, and then we're gonna go find a nice coffee shop patio to sit and work on. On another note, Merit blush. I am absolutely obsessed with this thing. I use it almost every day, and I feel like I've used no product, but it's so pigmented. Like, it's so beautiful, and I feel like I've used no product, and this is gonna last me forever. It's also so easy to apply, and it's so pretty. I'm obsessed with this blush right now. All right, here's the outfit. Something a little comfy, cute, casual crew neck, and then some very oversized tie-waist cargo pants. I loved these last year. We are bringing them back this spring because I wore them literally all the time, but we're gonna head out to a coffee shop and get some more work done. Lighting. Alright you guys, I just got home from the cafe. We're gonna do some sparkling water in a wine glass because that's the kind of vibe it is. I'm gonna start making dinner. It has been a long work day. I feel like I was at that cafe for a very long time, and there's just a lot happening and a lot going on in business and in life that I feel like my brain every night feels a little bit overwhelmed and like exploding, but in the best way possible. So I'm gonna have a chill night in. I'm gonna make dinner, have my little sparkling water in wine glass, and just call it a night. So I think I'm gonna end off the vlog here. But I hope you guys enjoyed this little few days in my life. I feel like it was good wellness balance, getting back into routine, working. Let me know if you guys want to see more. I feel like 1 to 2 days in my life of vlogs like this that I feel like are a little bit longer and a little bit more chatty. We definitely had more chatty moments, I feel like, in today's video. But I love you guys so much, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye.